Such a nice day today. It's a little breezy, but not too bad. And I actually forgot my helmet cam, so I'm going to be strictly recording FPV. Alright, last week we worked on hovering and more hovering and more hovering. This week we're going to work on mode 1 and mode 1 and more mode 1 too. We got it down packed. Okay, here we go. Let me get her set up. Breeze is opposite direction, so I've been lately just using the same direction for the breeze. So today I'm gonna go opposite. All right, let's play a little bit. Oh man, I don't know whether to scream, freak out, or just laugh. Oh, that breeze hit it hard and went right from my head, and then it shot to the palm trees. Oh man, I thought for sure it was gonna hit the ground. That was awesome. Oh shit, let me check the temperature on this thing and give it a second round. Oh shit, man, that breeze is joking this place. Talking about hazard practice. Oh, there goes my time going out for that battery, so I'll go ahead and swap out the batteries anyways. Alright, I'm on my second battery. This is a 35C. First one was a 25C. The wind is just way too much for pyro practice, so I won't be doing any spins. I'm going to do some mode 1 hovering, which is a lot more sensitive. It drops the gyro from 80% down to like about 65. So I'm impressed with the 5.8 though. The transmitter for the FPV, it doesn't get hot at all, and pretty good. I mean, besides the antenna tip that gets a little warm, the rest is great. Mode 1 is hover on mode 1. Wow, that breeze is no joke today. That sucked. Oh, battery was going and I hit the switch.
Shit. Oh, battery is gone.